How to get $100 off Starbucks promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Starbucks promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Just scroll down and navigate to this one website option, Simply Codes. This is a genuine website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Starbucks. Once you're any website, what you have to do is scroll down and check out the offers: 20% off, $30 off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on the option of use code. With that, you're going to get the code and you will be directed to the official website of it. Now you can log into your account, make your order and proceed to checkout. While you check out, you're going to find this section of codes. Over here, type in the copied code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Starbucks. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also check out other website, as other website will also provide a working promo code for Starbucks. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Starbucks. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.